Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. In today's video, we're exploring one of my favourite ways to bring character, style and personality into a space through the art of the vignette. Whether it's a cosy corner, a hallway console or the mantel above your fireplace, vignettes create beautiful moments that feel layered and personal. What is a vignette? Simply put, it's a curated arrangement or grouping of objects. Its purpose is to tell a story, evoke a mood, or showcase a particular theme or style. Think of it as a still life, a visual snapshot of your personal taste, interests, or lifestyle. The beauty is that you can create them almost anywhere in your home. Some of our favourite spots include an entryway, console, or shelf, a living room side table, coffee table, or behind the sofa console, a bookshelf or display cabinet, a fireplace mantle, a bedroom nightstand, and on kitchen countertops or shelving. That said, there's a delicate line between curated and cluttered arrangements, and in this video, I'll guide you through how to find that balance. Our 5 L's of styling. The 5 L's of styling is our signature formula, one that I use in every space and often reference in our videos. It's not just about choosing beautiful objects, it's about understanding the core elements that create visual interest in a space and helps you identify what might be missing. Think of it like flavour in cooking. Just as a beautiful dish balances sweet, salty, sour, bitter and umami, these 5 elements work together to create depth and harmony in your home. Lighting, the mood setter. Lighting sets the tone of your vignette. It brings warmth, illumination, and can even add texture, shape, or colour depending on your source. Because vignettes are typically styled on a smaller scale, opt for intimate light sources such as real or battery-operated candles, hurricane lanterns, candelabras, or table lamps. Two, lustre, the reflector. Lustre is the gentle glow that comes from polished, metallic, mirrored or glossy surfaces. It enhances light and prevents an arrangement from feeling flat or heavy. 3. Something loved, the personal touch. Next, every vignette needs a personal touch, and that's where something loved comes in. This is the piece that holds meaning. It might be sentimental, nostalgic, festive, or simply something that brings you joy. Four, something living, the energizer. To truly bring a vignette to life, introduce something living. Living elements bring freshness, movement, and a connection to nature. They soften structured arrangements, evolve with the seasons, and create a sense of vitality. Five, layering, the depth creator. Lastly, layering brings visual interest to your vignette. It's how you create flow, depth, and dimension by combining items of different heights, shapes, scales, textures, and placements. Without effective layering, a vignette can feel flat, cluttered, or disconnected. But with it, your arrangement becomes dynamic and eye-catching. It is especially important to create overlap by positioning items slightly in front of or behind others. Before and after, see the 5 Ls in action. Now let's walk through an example to see how the 5 Ls of styling can transform a surface and how to identify what might be missing. Here we have a console that's partially styled. It includes table lamps for lighting, a few books, candle holders, and a small sculpture that represents something loved, but overall the arrangement still feels a little flat. So what's missing? All the objects have a matte finish, so there's no lustre on the actual surface, nothing to catch or reflect the light. Next, everything is spaced evenly in a straight line, making the composition feel static. And lastly, there's no living energy, no greenery or natural element to bring movement and freshness. Here's how we can improve it using the 5 Ls. A glass vase filled with fresh ruscus will bring in something living, adding softness and vitality. Lighting stays with the existing table lamps, but we'll also add tea lights in the paper holders, plus a Trudon diffuser to introduce lustre and reflect the light. Next, we'll stack another book beneath the sculpture to elevate the loved element and give it more visual weight. And finally, to improve layering, we'll vary the heights and finishes and overlap pieces slightly to add depth and interest. Hopefully you can see the result is more complete, balanced and inviting. Thank you so much for watching. If you found today's video helpful, we'd love it if you would like the video, subscribe and share it with a friend. I encourage you to style just one small surface this weekend using the 5Ls and tag us on Instagram with the hashtag the5Ls. We would love to see your results. And remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.